His mother moved his application papers to imagine your grandfather, your mother, and your father, two generations. The charge of money laundering, you have the first part and then you have the second part. Who is laundering the money for? You notice it what? You need to have A. So this is preparing it against him only.
And then for the other side, social manual, counsel.
Because it's not consistent. But it's kind of money laundering. What's the first part of unlawful?
Registration, alright, so this against or maybe that guy's still really fast.
please the court, Your Worship. Just before we proceed, Your Worship, we would like to apologize to the court for starting very late. I got some information from Warrant Officer Pile about the delays. It was the issue of an escort that eventually came. So we humbly apologize for starting very late.
Apologies accepted, I understand.
Thank you, Your Worship.
Always hiccups when faced with matters of this nature.
Thank you, Your Worship.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, calling case number 23/20/21, 56 of year 2024. Accused number 1 is Lindokuhle Mkhwanazi. Accused number 2 is Lindani Zenzele Ndimande. 3 Siyanda Edinyeza. 4 Mziwethemba Ebugwabeni. Accused number 5 is Lindokuhle Mhlaliseni Ndimande. Date, Your Worship, is the 6th of March 2024. We are at Durban Magistrate Court. Presiding officer Mr. V.V. Kachwalo for the state is Advocate M.L. Gaba and E. Dweka. Our interpreter is Ms. Lamini. For accused number 1 is Advocate C.S. Mlotro. For accused number 2 is Mr. Tele. For accused number 3 is Ms. Y. Green. For accused number 4 again, Worship, is Mr. Tele. For accused number 5 is Ms. Y. Green. On the last occasion, Your Worship, the court will recall that there were 10 counts before this court. However, we have since added 2 counts. Now, count number 11 and count number 12. Count number 11, Your Worship, is in respect of accused number 4, which is Mziwethemba Heavy Kwadeni, a contravention of section 4B, rather sections 1, 7, and 8 of the Prevention of Organized Crime Act 121 of 1998, money laundering. Then, in respect of count number 4, it will be against Lindokuhle Mkhwanazi, accused number 1, accused number 2, and accused number 5. That will be the contravention of section 6, rather sections 1 and 8 of the Prevention of Organized Crime Act number 121 of 1998 is amended, acquisition, possession, or use of proceeds of unlawful activities, money laundering.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Worship. As we requested on the last occasion,
Let's afford the interpreter the opportunity to convey what has been said up to now.
Thank you. Namhlanje ke ushisi esichazelayo abathile esikhona amacala ayifundile sikhona ke amanye amacala labafike afakile so unamba 11 ke kufanele ke uhlangane lawo sine bese kuthi ke lokugcina ke ezama ngalisa ukungana nokusuka kanye so umfana ezokala lezi they understand your.
Thank you, Mr. Baba. You may proceed.
as it pleases the court, Your Worship, on the last occasion, we requested that the other accused be detained at the second police station. We thank the court for that. Everything has been processed very well, Your Worship. Thank you for that.
So what is your application right now?
No, they may go to prison, to Westfield. We don't have an application at this stage.
Thank you. Mr. Mlotro.
May it please the court, Your Worship, I do confirm my appearance on behalf of accused number 1, Mr. Mkhwanazi. The record will reflect that on the last occasion he was represented by Mr. Dlamini. I am instructed by his firm of attorneys, JD Attorneys here in Durban.
Thank you. Mr. Kwele.
As the court pleases, Your Worship, I do confirm that I appear for accused number 1 and 2, 1 and 4, sorry, 2 and 4.
Yes. Mr. Killing, Ms. Killing.
So please, Your Worship, confirm our appearance on behalf of accused number 3 and 5. However, accused number 5, the family had elected to, I was advised by accused number 5 that the family elected to go with my colleague. So I'm making application to withdraw from accused number 5, and his attorney will place himself in record. So I'll remain for accused number 3.
So that would be yourself, Mr.
Your Worship, I do confirm that I've just been instructed by Dlamini to also represent accused number 5, Mr. Ndimande, in these proceedings.
Application for withdrawal by Ms. Gilling in respect of applicant accused number 5 is granted.
Article, please.
Ms. Gilling will, however, remain representing accused number 3. On the previous occasion, we agreed on the dates. The dates being we'll kick off with the application on the 14th and then postpone to 18 and 19. Are we still agreeable on that?
Confirmed.
Your Worship, the dates are being confirmed on behalf of accused number 1 and 5.
Thank you very much.
Sorry, Your Worship.
Right. We have been in discussion with the management of the building, and we have agreed that in light of the interest that is there in this matter, this court may not be big enough to accommodate all the people who have an interest, and we have agreed that this matter will be moved to court 12 in this building. So the matter is therefore postponed to the 14th of March for the start of the bail application, but the proceedings will no longer be in this court. It will be in the next building, which is court 12, in the next court, which is court 12. So, gentlemen, the matter against you is postponed to that day. You'll be kept in custody. All of you will have to go to Westville prison.
They understand.
The President of the motion.
Thank you.
That is the rule.
That's the rule.
That is the rule.
Court will adjourn.